My name is Mark Lancaster, and I'm your small business coach. Today, we're going to talk about 3 ways to save money on your printing budget. The first idea that I have for you is to use a standard form and imprint your company name, address, and phone number on the form. And I have a link to my website where you can order these forms below this video. Here's an example of a form that's this is a standard form, as you can see. And what we do is we imprint I have my logo on here, your address, and your phone number. And we use a metal die to imprint the forms. And as you can see on part 2, it just carbon copies through. So you can leave part 1 to your customer as their copy and keep part 2 as your file copy. My second idea to save money is to use a standard ink color. All printers have black as a standard ink color. They don't charge extra for that. But many printers have a standard red or blue or gray or burgundy color. And a lot of times they don't charge anything for these standard ink colors. If you pick a Pantone color, they'll charge you between $35 and $75 for an ink wash each time you run a print job. So you can see over time, if you were in business for 30 or 40 years, paying ink washes every time you printed something, that those costs could really add up. And my third example on how to save money, and this is actually the best example, is to stock up and save. Order more, because the biggest cost in any print job is the setup cost, because you have to pay to design the form, you have to pay to make plates, hang the plates on the press, get the press up to color, and then you get your very first copy off of the press. And I always say the first copy, the good copy, is the most expensive. And then everything out after that's 2 cents a copy. So let's say if you were setting up a really big press, that first form off the press will cost $185. But then you're just paying for paper, ink, and runtime after that. So here's a great example. One of my forms, for $250, I charge $60. But for $500, it's $85. So for $25 more, you can get double the quantity. And for 1,000 quantity, it's $104. So as you can see, if you order 250 of them 4 times, you'd pay $240 versus $104 for 1,000 forms. So stocking up and saving is always the best way to do that, to save money. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about my YouTube channel. It's dedicated to helping small business. So I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you could leave a comment below, I'd really appreciate it. And I wish you all the best of luck in your business.